And also, that's another question for us: can human beings live together with us? You know. So, in fact, Arvin knows this creature, this animal, for many years, and now people think that this animal is a pest, because creating a new competition, because there is a challenge, a degrading state that food source in the forest has become less and less, and orangutan come to the farmland and try to eat what the people, what the human being eat. So, and at the same time, human being want to expand their settlement, their agricultural land into the rainforest, and that become a competition between wildlife and human beings. Next. So the case, and the solution is actually not at the orangutan side. Yeah. This paradox does not really give an offer to orangutan to solve the problem, no at all. So we have to really engage the people. So this is a picture, for example, the fruits eaten by from the farmer, eaten by the orangutan, and people become so angry. And the question is, the farmer said, why should we protect them? Why should we want to save them if our food actually being, degraded, being eaten or even stolen by the animal? This is a picture of a plant. The orangutan also eat the barks of the tree, and the tree can die because the orangutan need the cambium. They suck the cambium, and then this additional food for orangutan. So 80% orangutan eat fruits, but another 10% they eat like barks, insects, and even little animal. So this orangutan actually taken, this picture taken in the farmland. So they become a raider, like new comer to the farmland. People that become so nervous now to see actually orangutan in the farmland. So limited resources, limited access of food in the farmland still make orangutan to come to the farmland because they can do it anyway to find the food, And as Ardi earlier mentioned that orangutan eat more than 1,000 to local people, the farmers, and this should be the central of an actions, And many biologists, many scientists only focus on the wildlife. They only focus on how the behavior of the orangutan to prevent such things. But actually, that was wrong, because then we need to really focus on the human being. So this is a picture, for example, orangutan making a nest in the durian tree, and durian is the best fruit and high economical value, and people can depend on that tree for subsistence. And because of this kind of problem, that it can cause economic loss, high economic loss. Next. So we need to know what they respond to what happened in their farmland, in their community, so we can learn from them. There are so many things that we can learn from local people, and they have special values, they have special methods which we never think before, So actually, we want to solve the problem, but we have to dig out all the strengths in the community. Next. The agricultural success, and then apparently more than 34% actually people say because of crop raiding wildlife, because many animals come to the farmland, and this is the other things like including fertilizers, because everybody uses fertilizer and it's too expensive, and then now people suffer a lot because they cannot actually increase the yields, increase the crops, but actually they can do that without the fertilizer. And quality of seedlings is bad and other things. Okay, next. And that's what happened, and then we are there to save the orangutan, and then actually we want to put a human being as a factor to really save the environment and the community and also the natural resources. Next.